Another story we're following tonight, the battle over redistricting in Hampton Roads. Tomorrow, the U.S. Supreme Court will hear oral arguments. Last year, a trial court redrew Virginia's 3rd District after it was ruled unconstitutional. Now, the fight goes to the national level. Tomorrow, the Supreme Court will hear those arguments on why the 3rd District should stay the way it is or continue with the new lines drawn last year. What the highest court decides will have a direct impact on who you vote for. Representative Bobby Scott spoke to 10 on Your Side. His interview is new tonight. The voting battle before the Supreme Court hinges on a ruling by a lower court.
Our 3rd Congressional District was unconstitutionally configured because race was a predominant factor in drawing the lines, and that there were too many blacks in the district than necessary to comply with the Voting Rights Act.
Under the new lines, Congressman Scott's district would take up more of Chesapeake, Norfolk, and Suffolk. Virginia Republicans maintain the district under the old lines is drawn correctly. That's why the fight now goes to the highest court in the country. As far as what the congressman who runs the 3rd District thinks.
Frankly, I expect them to follow the same reasoning they had in the Alabama case and sustain what the court did.
Scott told 10 on Your Side in an interview, regardless of the outcome, he thinks congressional redistricting needs to go in a different direction.
I think the redistricting process has gotten so partisan and computers are so accurate that in many cases the voters have been denied the opportunity to select candidates of their choice.
And no matter how the Supreme Court rules, U.S. Senator Mark Warner says he's introducing legislation in Congress that will require states to set up independent bipartisan commissions to draw congressional district maps. Warner says his proposal would help reduce the over-the-top partisanship we often see when states redraw their election maps. Of course, we'll let you know what happens tomorrow.